to the 3-day World University Summit being hosted by OP Jindal Global University in partnership with the Association of Commonwealth Universities, the Star Scholars Network, and the Indian EdTech organization Upgrad. I would like to begin by expressing my deep gratitude and profound appreciation.
It gives me immense pleasure to be here today in presence of such esteemed and distinguished leaders of higher education from across the world. Over a decade ago, I had a vision to contribute to the building of our nation. I wanted to create an institution which gives the students of India an opportunity to world-class education.
During pandemic, to ensure academic continuity, this summit on the theme Universities of the Future, Building Institutional Resilience, Social Responsibility and Community Impact is indeed timely. I believe that we have a congregation today of over 150 thought leaders, including vice chancellors, presidents, rectors and provosts from over 100 universities across 25 countries. I want to congratulate the organizer for managing a gathering of this scale and ensure that we achieve goals that are aligned with the development and growth of nation.
And it will be launched soon. And number of activities are being undertaken by different organizations. Honorable Shiksha Mantri ji is taking reviews from time and again. And soon we will have the elaborative, comprehensive implementation plan in front of the educational institutions. And every education institution has to strive hard to develop themselves as the multidisciplinary institution, to provide holistic education, to have quality higher education, but at the same time focusing on the values, human values and professional ethics, concern for the environment. So we have to fulfill those also. Our NEP is having pillars like affordability, access, equity, quality, and accountability.
As we embark on our journey towards the path of recovery from the current pandemic, education is very critical to laying a robust foundation for any nation in ensuring its economic and social prosperity. It not only develops the knowledge and skills of students, but also plays an important role in molding responsible citizens. Within the spectrum of education, higher education especially marks a very critical last mile stride that nurtures the competitive talent of a country.
It is indeed my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this special and momentous occasion. We are honored to have with us this morning Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, the Honorable Vice President of India. We are grateful to Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, the Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India,